welcome back to my channel. So for today's vlog, Lollipop, this is very important, very personal, and meaningful. Yes, it's meaningful because I'll be sharing with you my HIV test experience. But before anything else, gusto kong i-point out na HIV testing is not just only for sexually active people. Lagi kasi yon ang akala ng karamihan. Pero in reality, there are other ways na pwede itong ma-transmit. Kaya dapat lahat tayo dapat maging aware. So let's normalize HIV testing, break the stigma, and show that this is actually an act of self-love. Kaya naman lollipops, tara, samahan niyo ako. Let's go!
Maaga pa lang, medyo kinakabahan ako while I'm prepping my bag. Siyempre ID, water, and the usual things. Habang inaayos ko ang sarili ko sa mirror, naisip ko, okay L, this is just part of taking care of yourself. Kasi HIV testing doesn't mean na sexually active ka agad ha. Marami kasi nag-iisip ng ganon. It's not about judgment, lollipops. It's about being responsible. You value your health and the health of others. Parang regular health check lang, same as your cholesterol or blood sugar test. Kaya kahit nakakaba, I told myself, laban lang L. And yes, I'm ready. Siyempre, konting rampa muna tayo. O, Pak, sino ka dyan? Okay, lollipops, travel time. Grabe, kaba mode pa rin pero sinabayan pa ng traffic. Appointment ko 6 o'clock p.m. tapos 4:45 pa ako nakalabas ng work. Imagine mo yon, halos 2 oras pero okay, chill lang. O, medyo panic mode. So ayan, as you can see, nasa shuttle service na nga ang babae na yan. At ayan, kuya, shoutout sa'yo. Nakasilip ka pala. Pasensya na po. Nag-video nga ako that time kasi syempre grabe, kinakabahan talaga ako that time. Kinakabahan ako ng very light. Yes, lollipops. And yes, sinabayan pa ng traffic. Kaya, grabe talaga yung kaba ko that time. Kaba sa possible na magiging result at sa kaba kasi baka malate ako sa appointment time. At ayun na nga, dumaan muna ang above kasi bumili ng face mask. Oo, kasi sasakay pa tayo ng jeep, kailangan for safety purposes. Eme! Pagkatapos ko ang bumili ng face mask, kaya ayan, kumuha na ako ng isa at sinuot ko na at nagsimula na akong maglakad papunta sa may antayan ng jeep. At ayan, as you can see, I'm waiting. Yes, nakatayo lang ako sa gilid sa may malapit sa lianas. Yes, sa harapan ng lianas actually. And yes, I just stand there waiting. At ayan na nga, may dumating na ngang jeep. At yes, syempre, lumapit na ako. At ayan, sumakay na nga. Habang nakasakay na nga ay syempre, ayan, nag-video pa nga ako. Kasi syempre to capture talaga. Kasi syempre, grabe talaga yung kaba ng babae na yan. Grabe yung kaba ko, lollipops. As in, kaba kasi baka sa possible na result. At syempre, sa kung anong magiging magiging feeling. Hindi ko alam kung anong dapat ma-feel ko. But still, I'm happy because, at some point, I will be aware of my status and yes, mas magiging kampante ako that I am safe from that HIV, you know. Pero syempre, palagi ko nga sinasabi, I always told myself, or I'll always remind myself that whatever the result, it will be okay because at least I'll be aware of my status. If it's positive, at least I can have my medication. Yes, I can treat that virus. And yes, if it's negative, yes, I'll be more aware that yes, I'm safe and mas magiging kampante ako, lollipops. That I know that I am free from that virus. Pagbaba nga ng jeep ay naglakad pa ako papunta sa clinic. Habang naglalakad, naiisip ko, bakit ganito ang kabael? Pero syempre, fight mode pa rin. And thank God, nakaabot ako kahit late ng 3 minutes lang. Medyo stressful pero nakakatawa rin sa experience. Lahat ng kaba ko parang nakulong sa utak ko. Pero syempre, sabi ko okay lang, parang adventure lang ito. Pagdating ko sa clinic, una, fill out ng forms, medyo may konting tense pero the staff were so nice. May konting counseling din bago ang test. Sobrang safe at confidential, wala talagang judgment. Kung medyo kabado ka, chill ka lang. They make it comfortable talaga, nakaka-relax kahit kabado. Alam mo yon, feeling ko lang parang VIP kasi they take care of you from start to finish. Ayan, chika time sa counseling, lollipops. Ang dami kong na-realize, alam nyo ba? HIV is not just transmitted through sexual contact. Kaya, kahit hindi ka active sexually, pwede ka pa rin magpa-test. Like sharing contaminated needles like sa drugs, tattoo, or piercing equipment, unsafe blood transfusion or blood products, and mother-to-child transmission sa pregnancy, childbirth, or breastfeeding. Kaya hindi porkat nagpapatest ka, is sexually active ka. At ang pinakakabado moment, this time na promise, ang dali lang, parang kagat lang ng langgam yung tusok. Mas kabado ka pa sa isip mo kaysa sa actual na procedure. Ang cute dito, mabilis lang talaga tapos na agad. Wala kang pakialam sa kaba mo after kasi relief mode agad. At ayan na, after ilang minutes lumabas ng result, thank God negative. Pero gusto ko lang i-share, kahit ano pa man lumabas, the courage to know is already a huge win. Binigyan din ako ng self-test kit for future just in case. Pero yung actual result, picture lang ang meron ako kasi tinapon na agad for confidentiality. At syempre, nasa akin na kung gusto kong i-share ang experience at result. Para sa akin, I chose to share para ma-educate at ma-inspire ang mga lollipops and to be an advocate of HIV awareness, hindi lang para sa LGBTQIA+ community pero for everyone. Remember, testing is not shameful. Testing is responsible. Testing is self-love. Kung umabot ka sa part na to, lollipops, please mag-iwan kayo ng kahit simpleng emoji, heart, o content suggestion para malaman ko na nandyan kayo at sumusuporta. At bilang pasasalamat, isa-shoutout ko kayo sa next vlog ko. Protect yourself, love yourself, and don't be afraid to know your status.
So ito na nga, lollipop. Testing doesn't mean active ka. It means responsible ka. And we should normalize that. So kung nag-enjoy kayo at may natutunan today, please do like, share, and subscribe. Let us spread awareness and not stigma. I love you, lollipops. See you in my next vlog.